Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you. It depends what time you're watching my video today. Guys, we are going to cook today butter chicken. Chicken boneless le lein 1 kg, yogurt half cup, lemon juice 2 tablespoon, coriander dry grounded 1 tablespoon, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, salt 1 teaspoon, garam masala 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, all purpose flour 2 tablespoons. So this all material is for marination the chicken. Okay. The next is 2 medium size chopped onions, 150 gram butter, half kg chopped tomatoes, garlic 2 tablespoon, darchini 2-inch size, green cardamom 3, 2 tablespoons crushed green chili, ginger paste 1 tablespoon, kasuri methi half teaspoon. Take some cashew nut 40 grams, walnut 40 grams, 4 tablespoon single cream, half cup milk and 1 tablespoon sugar. This is what you required today for cooking. Just have a look. Here you go. This is the oven. Just have a look. This is 100, this is 150 and this is 200. So just put on 200 and then just put on 10 to 15 minutes preheat. So we are going to marinate the chicken now, and what you do, put the chicken in the bowl and add the turmeric, okay, add the coriander powder, add garam masala powder, add red chili powder, okay, add the salt, okay, add the lemon juice in, and guys, add the yogurt, okay, mix it like this. When you done the marination, you can keep it for half an hour or you can just put in the oven directly. So at the end now you can add some all-purpose flour and take some cooking oil, okay, like this, and with the help of brush you can start putting your chicken like this, and put this tray in the middle. Put for 15 to 20 minutes. This grill will be ready. Chicken is getting grilled in the oven, so meanwhile we can start our cooking. So guys, here you go, butter, and just put in and just mix it. Add the green cardamom and cinnamon sticks and just mix it. Add ginger paste, this one, garlic paste as well, okay, just add it and just mix it. You start cooking with onion and onion turns to the pink color. Okay, before I'm going to show you the chicken from the oven, we put the tomato in. Okay, and now we add the green chili in as well. Okay, and we mix it like this. Let it cook under the lid for 5 to 10 minutes till it becomes a nice gravy paste. Okay, like this. And you can have a look like this, and just this is your chicken ready. Just remove it like this and put in the plate. Okay, your chicken is ready from the oven now. Just have a look. This one, nice and great, very delicious. Take some cumin powder, 1 tablespoon. Just open it and put this cumin powder in and keep cooking. Let it cook under the lid for 10 minutes. There is a lot of moisture from the tomatoes and onion, so you don't need to add any water at the moment, but later on we will see if we got to add some water. So cook it under the lid for 5 minutes more. Nice tenderness you can see. Just add 1 tablespoon of sugar in. Just cook it for 1 minute, that the sugar will get mixed in properly. 1 minute on low heat. Your gravy is ready now. Add the rest of butter. Just 5 minutes will be enough. चिकन को भूनने के लिए 5 मिनट बहुत होंगे. So here you go. When you feel that कि ये अच्छे तरीके से फ्राई हो गए 5 मिनट में, okay, then just stop it and add the gravy in. Your gravy and put like this. Okay, just put like this on your chicken. Okay, put this lid on and let it cook for 5 minutes. Just have a look now. Take it. Okay, so your butter chicken is almost ready. Take a bowl like this and put the milk in. Also take the single cream. Just take a whisk like this. Okay, small whisk. Take it and just mix it like this. Just remove the lid. Just add that cream and milk, the mixture. Just mix it like this on very low flame. Some kasuri methi. Okay, put like this. Just sprinkle and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Going to check now. This is ready. Close the flame and dish it out. Just have a look. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, like my video, share it and press the bell button. Thank you. We are going to dish it out now. Just do it like this. Okay, just put in. A great delicious aroma is just hitting me. So just put some cream like this. Okay, also you can put on something like this around. Put some cream and cashew nut on the top. Put some walnut like this. Your tasty and delicious butter chicken is ready to eat. Guys, enjoy your meal and always thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who have given us this kind of foods and stuff. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good time. Good luck and goodbye.